to talk about the X1 output module. The X1 output module provides all new output functionality and site-wide control to the X1 series. Each module has 10 Form C relays on board, and you can have up to 9 of these modules per X1. Now this allows you to have up to 90 additional outputs, so no matter where you install the output module, you can still trigger those outputs from any X1. So for example, if your customer wants to turn their lights on in their building, when they get an access granted at the front door, you could easily install the output module at the back of the building and have the front door X1 trigger those outputs on that access granted. And as always, it's simple and easy to program your outputs through the rules and virtual keypads, so your customers can control their outputs and trigger them as they need. For more information, reach out to your X1 sales specialist or visit dmp.com.